For maximum light over a wide area, a floodlight is what you need. The ToolPRO Portable LED Floodlight brings such power into a solid, cable-free unit with hands-free motion activation for the ultimate convenience. This floodlight uses chip-on-board LED technology, the perfect choice for maximum spread and power efficiency. Powered by 6 AA batteries, it'll crank out 250 lumens of light for 11 hours or a massive 490 lumens for 6 hours before needing more power. Being equipped with replaceable batteries means there's no waiting around for a recharge. Just swap them out and you're good to go. The feature which really sets this light apart from the rest is the motion sensor. This is activated by pressing the button to select the desired brightness setting and then holding down the button until the red LEDs illuminate. After a period of no motion activity, the light will switch off, returning to full brightness when movement is detected. All of this power fits into a surprisingly small and rugged frame. It's easy to stow away or carry around with you. The aluminium chassis provides a sturdy platform, helps to dissipate heat from the LEDs, and houses the adjustable stand, so you can aim the light precisely where you need it. Whether it's lighting the garden shed, illuminating a job after dark, or temporary lighting on a garden path, you'll wonder how you ever lived without your ToolPRO Portable LED Floodlight.